Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook melon soup. First, select a ripe, sweet melon, such as a cantaloupe or honeydew, ensuring it smells fragrant at the stem end. You will need about 3 pounds of melon, 2 cups of high-quality vegetable broth, and a touch of fresh mint. We will blend these simple ingredients into a delightful, smooth soup, perfect for a light lunch or a sophisticated appetizer. Get ready to enjoy a surprisingly versatile and easy-to-make dish that everyone will love. To begin, you will need 1 ripe honeydew or cantaloupe melon, weighing approximately 3 pounds. Look for a melon that feels heavy for its size and has a pleasant, sweet aroma. Also, prepare 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. A small pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper will enhance all the natural flavors, balancing the sweetness beautifully for a truly delightful experience. Start by carefully slicing your melon in half, then use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy bits. Next, peel away the rind completely, discarding any tough green parts. Chop the clean melon flesh into 1-inch cubes, which will make blending much smoother later on. Finally, take your fresh mint leaves and give them a rough chop. This helps release their aromatic oils, adding a wonderful freshness to your soup. Now, transfer all the melon cubes, vegetable broth, and lime juice into a high-speed blender. Blend this mixture until it reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, with no chunks remaining. Carefully pour the blended soup into a saucepan and gently heat it over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, just to warm it through. Stir in your chopped mint leaves, then add a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper to taste, adjusting as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.